Honestly, shopping in public is so hard because at any moment, oh my god, I could be recognized, you know? I'm basically a YouTube celeb now, so basically a YouTube celeb now, so basically a YouTube celeb now, so What's cooking, good lookins? I'm Emma Love and welcome back to Impeccable Eats Bite-Sized Edition. So the other day, I ventured into what I affectionately call Middle America Mordor, aka Wally World, aka Walmart, to get some of my grocery shopping done. No one is above Walmart, alright? They have great deals, and honestly, Walmart really is that B word, okay? She did not have to go that hard. Not only did she offer lower prices than most of the competition, she also came out with great value, which like is the brand that's like $1 to $2 cheaper than like everything. So it's great, okay? It's great. I've been loving it, okay? Up until the other day. So I'm minding my own business, you know, trying not to be seen, you know, internet celeb and all that. And my eyes make contact with something called slime sauce, which is this, okay? It turns out Great Value did a collab with Nickelodeon and came up with slime sauce, which is green ketchup. It sounds just as repulsive as it looks, all right? I'm a 90s kid, okay? The 90s were pretty cool. There are a lot of things that I thought were a little bit better in the 90s than they are now, but I'm not one of the ones that will let you forget about things that happened in the 90s that aren't really relevant anymore. And you get what I'm trying to say. One thing I do remember from the 90s was this Heinz, I think the brand was, Easy Squeeze ketchup that came in like purple and I think orange, maybe green, I don't know, but I really wanted some when I was a kid, but my mom like loved me. Now that I look at it, she wasn't depriving me. She loved me enough not to buy whatever that was. All right, so Mom, namaste, got love for you. Curious cat, okay? I'm a curious cat, and this caught my attention. Okay, so today we are going to do a review on this Nickelodeon slime sauce. I'm probably gonna regret this, but you know, we're gonna do this. And just so you know, we're gonna be doing reviews on a scale that I like to affectionately call the Emma Smirk scale. You want 10 Emma Smirks, you need them, okay, to be relevant. And if you don't, then, well, you're going in the trash. So first of all, we're gonna tackle the appearance, okay? Because you eat with your eyes first. Color? No. Okay, no. I don't even know how to do this. Looks like paint. It looks like paint. Like I can't. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this and tell me this isn't paint right now. This looks like green paint. Like. Okay. Have you guys seen? Like, do you guys remember SpongeBob? If you ever watched it, like the Flying Dutchman, it literally looks like someone scooped the sludge or whatever was on his ship and bottled it. Okay. So this gets 3 Emma Smirks out of 10 in appearance, and that's like I'm generous. Okay, so now onto the smell. Alright. Okay, it surprisingly smells like ketchup. Okay, I'm not a condiment person, but ketchup smells pretty ketchup, you know, so that actually makes me more concerned. Like, what type of witchcraft is in this that it could look like this but still smell? Okay. So smell-wise, 7 Emma Smirks out of 10. Now for the most important part, the taste. I just want to say I'm scared. Also, I bummed these fries off my neighbor. He was coming up the stairs with takeout, and I was like, hey, can I have like 2 fries? Because I refuse to ever dip block me now, okay? I'm scared. Oh my God, what the heck? I'm embarrassed. So surprise, surprise, I was a little dramatic. Expecting a lot worse, but it tastes pretty much like ketchup. There's a little bit of a more pronounced acidity to it, if you know what I mean. But honestly, it's not bad. 7.5 Emma Smirks out of 10 for taste. So this is 100% mathematically accurate. The average of the scores would make this 5.83. I don't want to do that. We're going to round up. So this Nickelodeon Great Value slime sauce gets 6 Emma Smirks out of 10. Okay, would I use this again? No. Would I recommend it to a friend? No, not one that I care about. Would I recommend it to someone I hate, to be petty? No, okay? Like, don't recommend this to someone you hate, okay? Recommend this to that one friend, and I use the term friend very loosely here, who never comments or hypes you up under any of your pictures, but somehow will bring all of them up to you in real life. It's like, in the words of the great Cam Newton, but did you like it though? Today, thank you for watching this very dramatic review. I'll be sure to do more of these and be on the lookout for this week's long video, okay? Did I put this one out as a little bit of, a snack for what's coming up? Maybe, mind your business, okay? But thanks so much for watching. Follow me on my social media. Find me. I'll be looking for you guys. And share this video and like it up, okay? We need more traffic, people. Let's grow. All right, thank you so much. I'm Emma Love.